अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस। तो मैं वेलकम करता हूं आपको अपने यूट्यूब चैनल इनामली टेक में। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सब ठीक होंगे। तो गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा बेस्ट पर्सनल लोन ऑफ माई 2023 इन यूएसए, इन यूएस। ठीक है, तो मैं आपको बेस्ट पर्सनल लोन के बारे में टोटल ए टू जी बताऊंगा। देखिए, a personal loan allow you to borrow money to consolidate debit, finance a large purchase, or cover an emergency expenses. And this guide will help you compare personal loan rates from the top lenders. ये देखिए, ये हैं टॉप लेंडर्स: अपस्टार्ट, बिग एग, लाइट स्ट्रीम, अपग्रेड, एक्सोस, प्रोपर, डिस्कवर, सोफी, पेनफ्रेंड, अपस्टार्ट, बेस्ट एग, trade, exos, discover. What are the current personal loan rates? Personal loan interest rates increased this week for 36-month term, while rates declined for 60-month loan term. However, the coverage personal loan rates offered to well-qualified applicants with credit score 720 or greater as you May 29. 3-year personal loan term 19.77 up to from 90.53 week ago. 5-year personal loan 20% 22 down from 20% 38 a week ago. Personal loan rates vary widely based on credit worthiness. Borrow with a very good or excellent credit score will see much lower interest rates than those with fair or poor credit. Often, borrow with bad credit will apply for secured personal loan and that use the asset to collateral in order to achieve low rates. What is a personal loan? A personal loan is a type of lump sum loan that you provide fixed monthly payments or a set period of months, years, unlike to credit card or revolving infant credit. Personal loans are typically unsecured, which means they are supported by your credit worthless rather than collateral. Collateral is an asset such as a car, house. A lender may use to recoup its uses to default unsecured loan. However, some lenders offer secured personal loan or very backed by collateral like savings account or certificate deposits. Pros and cons of personal loans. Cons: who can get a personal loan? Lender often set minimum requirements and will likely look at your credit score, payments history, income and debit income ratio. If you are furloughed or unemployed, the lender may ask you for documentation that indicates when you return the work, such as your furlough letter or job offer. Age eligibility requirements can vary by lender or by state, and territory laws. Generally, consumed must be 18 to apply, but some states may require borrower to be 19 to 21. If you are applying for a secured loan, the lender will also consider your collateral. How to choose the best personal loan lender for you? What fee the lender charge? Many lenders charge in origination fees that vary from 1 to 10% of the loan amount. Because this can greatly affect the payout you actually receive, be sure to notice this and any other fees the lender may charge. Check online reviews such as a Better Business Brew. हाउ टू अप्लाई पर्सनल लोन? कौन कैसे किस तरह हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? देखिए, गेट प्री क्वालिफाइड एंड कंपेयर ऑफर्स. फैमिली अप्लाई थ्रू द lender of your choice. What are the alternative to getting a personal loans? The alternative are: make a payment arrangement, lot at other type of loans, consider using low interest of credit card, borrow a family member. Our personal loans methodology: best personal loans. Sufi best for personal loan of $1,000. Pen Credit Union best for low minimum loan amounts. Upstart best for no credit or poor credit. Best Egg best for funding. Livestream best for low interest. Upgrade best for loan amount of $5,000. Access Bank best for flexible long term lending. USA best for low interest. Prosper, best for peer-to-peer loans up to $5,000. Discover best for low cost. सो गाइस, इस तरह हमने आपको बेस्ट पर्सनल लोन्स के बारे में बताया। उम्मीद करता हूँ गाइस आपको मेरी वीडियो लोन्स के बारे में जो है वो अच्छी लगेगी। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल इनामली टेक को सब्सक्राइब करें। सब्सक्राइब करने के साथ साथ बेल आइकन प्रेस करके ऑल करें तो कि नोटिफिकेशन ईजिली अब तक पहुँचता रहे। मिलेंगे इस तरह की दोस्तों नेक्स्ट न्यू वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए मैं आपसे इजाज़त चाहूँगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।